In this video, I will show you how to remove blank cells in Microsoft Excel. Let's say, for example, I have here data from January, Feb, and March sales and the total for the first quarter report. But the problem here is that I have blank lines in between, right? Now, how can we remove the blank rows and the blank columns in between this table? First, you need to highlight data from cell B2 up to H11. And if you need to select all the blank cells involved in this cell references, you can go to Home tab. On the right side, click Find and Select with magnifying glass icon. And then over here, click on Go to Special. So when you click that, Excel will display all the sets that we can use for Go to customization. In this case, we need to select all the blanks and click OK. Now, in order to delete all columns and all rows, again under Home tab, you need to find the Delete Cell button. So when you click the drop down, we have the selections. Let's start with the first one, Delete Cell. I will start by deleting all blank columns in between this table. So click Delete Cells rather, and then select Shift Cells to the left. Click OK. What Excel will do, it will delete all the blank cells in the column area. Next, I need to delete all blank rows in between. So let me highlight again the selection of data from B2 to E11. And then let me click Find and Select. Go to Special. Click on the blanks and click OK. In order to remove all the blank rows involved here, you need to go back to Home tab, click Delete, and then click Delete Cells, Shift Cells up, click OK. Excel will remove all blank rows in the selected area. Before you apply, go to Special and Delete Cells. Make sure that the cell reference is not merged in the first place. So you need to unmerge them. And once you unmerge them, you can select them per cell. And you can delete them by rows or by columns. And that's it for the sample on how to delete blank cells in Excel.